What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got big stories for you today. OnePlus Fold, OnePlus Open, Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra as well. So let's just dive right in. First story we're going to talk about is the OnePlus Open. This is their folding phone. This is the one that is coming out and being launched in the next few weeks, couple weeks really. So what about this? Because there's actually a hands-on video that's been leaked out. It's from, well, the actress, I guess, is over in India. I'd never heard of her, Anushka Sharma, and she is showing the phone off clearly in the video, and you can see that it's the OnePlus Open, their folding phone. And you know, she's just holding it so awkwardly, like while she's taking photos, she's kind of like holding the phone like, oh, let me just hold it towards the camera people. Instead of like just holding it down, straight down, she's like, I'll angle myself. It's so fake. And I guess she's done this or something similar in the past with other folding phones. But I like when companies do stuff like this. It's like, it's kind of blatant advertising, but it's not. It's like, there's a little ditty for people to, a little golden nugget for people to pick up. I think it's cool. But yeah, I'd like to see them do this in America. Come on, baby, give it to somebody famous here in America and let them show off the phone a little bit. Here's what the Galaxy S24 Plus will look like when it arrives in January, February, and it's got that big 6.7-inch flat display, and the Plus version will have almost everything that the Ultra will have, a little less cameras, but it will still have that 45-watt charging and have a big display overall, and it'll just be an impressive device. It'll be a device that I think some people will still want to get. The design of it doesn't look all that different than the previous couple generations of this phone, so if you're looking for something different. And lastly, we'll take a look at the S24 Ultra. Again, a very similar design. The big design change on this one is it will have a flat display, a somewhat flat display, which we'll talk about in just a moment when we get a little bit closer looking at it. But overall, it still keeps that iconic, if you want to call it iconic, S24 design. We've seen this design over the last bunch of generations and it's not changing. It seems like it'll probably wait until next year, the 25, when they actually do change it that generation. But this one, not so much. But to kind of dive a little bit deeper into what I was saying, the guy that OnLeaks, who released all this stuff, gives us a little close-up saying display drives many of you crazy, flat or curved. I would say in between. But here is a close-up shot of which you can see the answer once and for all. You're welcome. And you can see it does have like a flat display, but then like the bezel / the side of the phone is kind of curved. So maybe it'll be the best of both worlds, where you get that flat display so you get more screen real estate, but then it's also pretty easy to hold because the phone is like curved, the body's curved. So we'll have to check this one out when it comes out. But what are your impressions so far of the 24 Ultra and the 24 Plus? Let us know in the comments down below. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road.